For me, what distinguishes FVP Trade from other brokers is our relentless spirit.
At FVP Trade, every decision we make, we really focus on two simple questions. Do we have our capital invested in a way that will generate the best risk-adjusted returns for our investors? And are there any other better solutions out there in the marketplace right now?
Here at FVP Trade, we never settle on our past successes. Our primary objectives are to maintain our high standards and to keep moving forward to reach our targets and goals. When we reach a specific target, we are all too aware that our competitors will be hot on our heels. So to maintain our levels of success, we must remain vigilant, focused, and continue to move with the times.
We are constantly innovating every single day. We are releasing new products, strategies, and applications. This will always help us to keep one step ahead of the competition. When we bring together great minds with the most advanced technologies, it allows us to take ideas and to translate them quickly into executable projects. At the end of the day, making money in our industry is about hard work and good risk management combined with rigorous decision process.
Markets go up and down, but what never changes is our continuous effort to service our clients well and provide them with a great platform to grow their wealth. We always stay level-headed and never take excessive risk, which might put our company in danger during difficult times.
This is why our investors and stakeholders love us the way we do our work every single day.